In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten eyes in Photoshop using the Dodge tool. This is a quick, subtle enhancement that can make a portrait feel more engaging without looking overdone. We'll keep it simple and controlled so you maintain a natural look. First, zoom in on the eyes so they fill a comfortable portion of your workspace. The goal is precision, so get close enough to see the iris clearly while keeping both eyes in view if possible. Use your preferred zoom method and pan around as needed to center the area. Working at a higher zoom helps you place your strokes accurately and avoid brightening areas you don't intend to touch. Next, select the Dodge tool, which you can access from the toolbar or by pressing the OK. If you see the burn or sponge tool instead, click and hold to reveal the Dodge tool. The Dodge tool lightens pixels where you paint, which is perfect for enhancing the iris without altering the overall exposure of the image. Before painting, set the range to midtones and adjust exposure to around 10 to 20%. Midtones target the iris tones most effectively, and a low exposure gives you control, letting you build the effect gradually. Start closer to 10% if you're new to this or working on a high contrast image. Choose a soft brush with a size that fits within the iris without spilling into the eyelids or the whites of the eyes. A soft edge helps blend the effect smoothly. Now, gently paint over the iris. Use light, short strokes following the natural patterns and textures rather than scrubbing back and forth. Avoid the pupil and the whites of the eyes to prevent an artificial flashy look. Think of it as revealing detail rather than adding shine. If you need a little more brightness, make another pass rather than increasing the exposure. Build slowly and keep checking that both eyes look balanced in intensity. If you go too far, step back with undo or ease off by reducing the effect with a lighter touch on your next pass. It helps to zoom out periodically to evaluate the overall result in context, then zoom back in for small tweaks. The key is subtlety. The best edits are the ones that viewers can feel but can't immediately spot, and that's it. By zooming in, selecting the Dodge tool, dialing in midtones with a low exposure, and painting gently over the iris, you'll add a clean, natural brightness that makes eyes